Now, let's see how we can solve this amazing equation on the screen. All right. So we are asked to solve 21 into 5 to the power of x plus 1, close it, minus 25, open the bracket, 5 to the power of x minus 1, all divided by 5 to the power of x plus 1 minus 5 to the power of x, then everything equals 25 to the power of x. Let's see how we can do this. Now, what we are going to do here is that we're going to have, but from here, we're going to have 21, okay, into 5 to the power of x multiplying 5 to the power of 1. So this one inside there can be split in this form. All right, minus 25 into 5 to the power of x, then multiplying 5 to the power of minus 1. Okay, and you know that 5 to the power of minus 1 is same thing as what? Is same thing as 1 over 5. Understood? So that is telling us that we can rewrite this one here as what? As 5 to the power of x divided by 5. All right, to the power of 1, then all divided by 5 to the power of x multiplying 5 to the power of 1. Understood? And minus 5 to the power of x. So everything equal to 25 to the power of x. Are you following? So the next thing we're going to do from there is that you see this 21, multiply this 21 by 5. We're going to have what? We're going to have 5 times 1, we have 5. 5 times 2, we have 10. Multiplying 5 to the power of x. Then minus, you see this 5 here, we divide 20. This 5 we divide 25. We're going to have 5 into 5 to the power of x. Understood? Then everything divided by 5 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x, then equal to 25 to the power of x. Next thing we're going to do from here, if you look at this now, 5 to the power of x here, 5 to the power of x is here. So, sorry, I still have 5 to the power of 1 here, 5 to the power of 1, this denominator. So now, from the numerator, I can have 5 to the power of x into 105, take away 5. That is, if you factor out 5 to the power of x, this is what I'm going to have. Then divided by, here also, I can factor out 5 to the power of x into, we have what? We have 1 here. This divided by this will give me 5. Then minus 5 to the power of x divided by this, we're going to have 1. And everything, 25 to the power of x. So, the next thing I'm going to do from here, so you see that 105, take away 5, we're going to have 5 to the power of x multiplying 100, then divided by 5 to the power of x multiplying 4. Then everything is going to be 25 to the power of x. Now, this and this will be cancelled. All right. Then 10 divided by 4, we have 25. So we're going to have 25 to the power of x will be equal to, sorry, this will be 25, then equal to 25 to the power of x. So from here, 25 can be written as 25 to the power of 1. Okay. So lastly, since we are having the same basis, okay, so we are going to conclude that x is equals to 1. S equal to 1 is the solution to the problem. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this very interesting, kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn better. Bye.